Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to share with you the best idea websites that you can make to make money online. So it's an online web tools and it have a lot of the tools that the users can use them, like IP lookup, and which this is an most popular tool. People use this tool a lot. So when someone click on IP lookup, it's going to give him the IP uh, of his location. Also, there are too many other tools as you see here, and most of them they don't need any configuration or anything, so it will be ready functional and you can use them. Also inside these websites you have an admin panel. As you see here, you have an admin panel. You can do all necessary changements that you need, like change your one logo and change the necessary page, like privacy policy and term and conditions, change the design and everything that you need to change it. Also, you can monetize in money by Google AdSense from this website. So I'm going to share with you how you can get the code and how you can use it and how you can start making money from this website. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you need to have an web hosting. So it go back to you which company that you want to get web hosting from. In my case, I'm using Hostinger, which I prefer in this web hosting company because it's offering a lot of amazing stuff, and also it's offering great prices. So you can start with very cheap prices for a year, and yeah, that's why I like Hostinger. So you can use any web hosting, but in my case, I'm using Hostinger. And also you need to have your one domain name. So if you have a domain name, uh, and inside your domain name, they are already websites. So if you want to get a new domain name for this website, so that's okay. But if you don't want to, you can just use subdomain. So if you want to do that, as I'm doing right now, I'm doing that on subdomain because I use this domain name in another website. So you can do both. You can use it inside domain name or subdomain. To create a subdomain, it's very simple. Inside Hostinger, you all need to do go to domains and you go to subdomains. And here you give it the subdomain name. We're connecting with the main domain name, and it's going to be like that. So it would be like for my case, it's test.domain demo.ga. So we are using subdomain, but in the same method, you can apply it in my domain. Okay, so here after we have our domain name and our web hosting, we need to go to our dashboard and we need to go to file manager. So after you open the file manager, it's going to giving you this space with public HTML. You need to open the folder. Public HTML is not going to be have any folder here, nothing. If you find any default file you can just delete it, you don't need it. And you can get the source code from our website, cheapdigitalproducts.xyz. I will leave the link in the description. After you with a very cheap price. So if you go get the source code from original prices, it's going to be expensive for you. And in our website, it's very cheap, so you don't need to pay much money. And also we're offering help services even after you purchase the product. So if you pay any scripts from our website, you can contacting us by booking a free consultant via Zoom on our website, or you can just contacting us by WhatsApp. You're going to find it inside our website, Jeep Digital Product. So I will leave the link in the description. Okay, so after you get the source code, you download you go here and you upload the zip file. You upload the zip file. So after you upload in your zip file, you need to extract it. So you go selecting your zip file and you go and extract it right here. You give it any folder name because actually this folder name, you don't need it. It's just for extracting the files. So after you extract it, it's not going to be inside public HTML directly. So keep in mind that you need to enter inside the file. You selecting the file who contains all folders for the scripts. You select it, then you click on it. Right click, you go to move files. You click on it and you selecting the bottom one with no words. You choose this one, you click move. Okay, so you are here. So the file is inside public HTML, but not the necessary file. So we delete in the first one we created, we don't need it. We can even delete the zip file, we don't need it. And we stay having the file that we extracted. So what we need to do now, we click on it and we select in all files. After that, right click, then you go move files. So after you click that, you go on the top and you choose this one without any words. Then you click on move. Okay, great. So here we are inside public HTML. As you see, the products file is having nothing. So we extracting everything from this file. We can, this folder, we can just delete it. We don't need it. Okay, so we have all necessary files. So what we need to do next, we go back to our dashboard inside the domain where we are trying to install the scripts, and we scroll down. If you are using Hostinger, it will be the same method in other web hoster company. They are not much different. So you go to database and you go to manage database. You need to create a new database specifically for this script to install the script on it. So what we need to do, we need to give it a name here, like this. And we give it a password right here. Okay, so after we give it a name and a password, we hit on create. We wait a few seconds until he successfully creates a new database for us, and it's going to be right here. Perfect. So now what we need to do, as I'm using subdomain, I'm going to open my subdomain. If you use your main domain, you just need to open your main domain. So I will get my subdomain. I go to domain, subdomain, and I will copy my subdomain and paste it right here. But here, something after you get your subdomain, you edit slash and install. You type install and you click enter. So he's going to disable the scripts in an installation page. Okay, so after your domain or subdomain, you type in slash, then you give it install, then you type enter, and it's going to disable for you the script. And here you have to start installing the script. So you click start the installation, and everything it's perfect for me. So you have to make sure all necessary PHP versions are correct with green icon right here. They are no problem. So if they are any problem, you go back and you give it a permission inside your PHP version. inside your web hosting. So in my case, everything is fine. You click just next. And here, as we see, we have the local host. We don't need to change that. We keep it as he is, and we need to edit the name for the database and the username for the database and the password. So to do that, we go back to our dashboard inside Hostinger, and we scroll down and we go to database and we click on management. Then we scroll down a little bit. Then we get the database name. We copy this and we go back and we paste it right here. Okay, so the same, we do it on username database and we give it the database password that we created. So, okay, so after that, we can give it an email here and the name for our website. So how we want our website is going to be calling. So we can give it any name. It's going to be in the title right here with the 5 icon. You can change that later, but you can give it any name for the moment. So it's just test website. And here you can give it any email that you want to users can contact in you. And in the top right here, you need to edit the license key. So in this case, I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to go back. But before I do that, if you approach the code from us, you will have in your one license key. So don't worry about that. We are going to give you a license key. You passed it right here. So the script is going to work in with you perfectly. You just need to install it. Okay, so after you edit your license key on the top, then you scroll down, all down, and you need to click on this finish installation button. You click on it, you wait a few seconds, and you are ready to go. So your installation is successfully completed. So as you see here, the username and the password is admin. So you can just open your website, and here we are. You can start change your logo for your website or give it a title, and you can access to your admin page panel from here, and you can do all necessary changes that you want to do them. So you can go to settings. I'm going just to showing you the most important things. You can change like the logo right here. You can change logo for email, 5 icon. This one is right here. It's called 5 icon. And organization image, I believe this is the image. It's going to be disable, maybe this one, I don't know, or maybe when you share it on the social media, it's going to disable an image. Probably it will be this one. So never mind. And you can go to ads here. And as you see here, we have 2 spaces for editing our ads scripts from AdSense. So here one for the header and one for the footer. But it's going to be disabled here, one, and second one in the bottom. But you can edit more and more scripts inside your scripts for AdSense inside your script. So when you edit them, AdSense is going to be automatically edit as many ads. He find the algorithm for AdSense to find the places to place these ads inside your website. So don't worry, it's going to edit more than 2 ads inside your website. So the most necessary thing, as you see here, you have amazing web site for tools that the users can use them for free, and you can start make money from advertisements. You not need to edit like subscription for this website. So as you see here, converting images from PNG to JPG and more tools. Okay, so this is it for today, how you can create an online web tools website for easy way. And if you get the scripts from our website, you are going to get the scripts very cheap price, and we have helping like we can help in you if you don't have any experience, how you can, if you don't have any experience in this stuff, we can help in you for free. You just need to book a free consultant with us from our website, or contacting us on our website via WhatsApp directly. So I will leave all link on this video in the description. You can contact us or leave a comment if you have any question, and see you in the next video, and have a nice day.